letting you know that we got a few things to do today. One of the things I need to do right off the bat is, a while back I was cleaning the edges of the stock pond out. I'll be down here. And I had a little bit of clay that I was just moving out and piled in a pile. Well, it's in the way. Every time I try to go shred, I have to go around this little pile. It's not very big, it's just a few scoops, but I need to put it on the edge of the pond. And right now, we need rain really bad, and the pond is really low. So I'm going to start picking up this dirt, just kind of dropping it around the edges. I'm not going to be able to pack it in. I can't get it down the edges. It's too dangerous. I'm not going to put myself or the tractor at risk. So we're going to take this around to the other side. I'm going to go over here where I can go across without going down in the pond. We call them, we've been calling it a stock pond, but we call them stock tanks here in Texas. What do y'all call them? And if I can get down to that tank, bring it up out of the bottom and put it on the edges, it's much safer than me trying to go off the edge here and drop a little bit on the edges. Like I said, we're not able to put much. We're not able to do much. We're just doing a little bit. TYM has, this little tractor has been really nice just for quick stuff like this. I really wish I could put some cows or something in here. The fences are just not up to par over here. I may have to come up with something though. You can get this clay in off the side here, that way that's done and we don't have to worry about this anymore. And then I can just shred. Really got to be careful here. There are some little small complaints that I have with this tractor. Would like to see the front end loader a little faster and maybe a little smoother. The LS is real fast, real smooth. And this tractor, I think, has the capability if they just work on that hydraulic system. Like I said, I'm only dropping this in that rock layer. I'm not able to do a whole lot with it because it's just, like I say, it's just, I mean, you're looking at a little bit too dangerous here. And I know that, so I got to be real cautious. There we go. Last little bit right there. Dump that right, yeah. So last project for today is I've got some hay right over here that needs to be stacked over there. We're gonna let you watch the T4058 get the job done. Let's go throw some bales around. that's what we got going on, guys. Just wanted you to see these bales being moved around. This is about all we're going to be able to do today. We got a little bit done. Just wanted to bring you along for the ride. Give you an opportunity to see the 4058 do some extra work. All right, well, that wraps up another day for today. A couple days later, I told you I had to go put mineral out for the cows. Let's go put some mineral out real quick. I don't know what the day's going to bring, but it won't be much. Several days here. Last them a few days at least. All right, I don't know where they're at. I didn't call them. We'll drive around. If I run into them, we'll say hi to them. But cows are not up here at the pen area. I just want to get the mineral out for today, and we've been able to accomplish that. Something today has already been accomplished. Hey, look, at least it's better than sitting in the house and watching another episode of Andy Griffith or Beverly Hillbillies or Hogan's Heroes or something like that. Enjoy those shows, but it gets tiring. All right, let's go. I'm gonna go check fence lines again since I'm here. We'll kind of look for the cows, but I don't know where they're at. See that buck right there? Ooh. I'm trying not to spook him off. I don't really want him to run off, but he's not very big, little bitty buck. He's heading off into the woods. Kept looking back in here. I don't know what he was seeing or looking back at. Probably just trying to decide which direction he wanted to go. And that's pretty dense in there. So, yeah. I don't know. I can't read a deer's mind. Well, it looks like they found me. I didn't find them. I'm not sure where all of them are at, but they're probably around here somewhere. Yep, they found me. I think I'm going to drive back up to the pens because they're looking for me. I think I'm going to go give them some cubes, make them happy. We're actually a pretty good ways away from the pens, so I guess we'll find out if they go or not. Just driving around looking at fences, and then all of a sudden, bam, there they are. They're looking at me going, hey, where's my cubes at? So I'm going to give them some because I think that's the right way of handling it, because I want them to always come up for them. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Come on. We'll go ahead and throw these guys some cubes and go do the next thing. I got to go to therapy here in a little while, and I don't think any of you guys want to go to therapy with me, so I think we'll end it right here. Until next time, though, thanks.